Hello everyone, in this video we will be creating a delete component and a delete route. So to do that we don't need to start from scratch. We can go to the update component, copy everything here, go to delete component and paste it. And so here we will be having one input field. It will be the ID number of the record that we want to delete. And as you can see, we have two input fields. We don't need two, we just need the number one here. And here, instead of saying update data, we will say delete data. And also here, instead of saying update, we will say delete. That's it. And now here, for the component name, as you can see, I have update. So convert it to delete here, and also here. And here, just copy the function name and paste it. And as you might remember, we only have one input, so it's target ID here. Now we are sending a post request, and instead of saying update city, let's say delete city. And instead of having two values in request body, we will have only one value, which is target ID. And that's it, it's finished. Let's go to server. So in the server, as you can see, we have update city. Copy everything here, go down. Yes, so as you might remember, I had server delete city route, so I need to convert it to delete city. Asynchronous request body will stay the same, and I am getting only the ID number from the request body. Full connect, that's correct. Query, of course, this is I need to update, so here I will say delete from my cities where ID is equal to 1, because I will have only one value on the right side. So that's it actually. Now let's save it. Let's also save it. And now, as you can see, I am at the root level here, so it means I can say node server.js. And then here, as you can see, I'm at the client level, which means I can say npm start. So first, let's read the data from database. As you can see, it's Maputo and Jakarta. So if I go to delete here, Maputo and Jakarta. So if I enter number 1 as the ID number of a record, it means it will delete probably Jakarta. Let's try it. See the delete successfully. Let's now read it. Yes, now I have only Maputo. So that was how you can delete a record from Postgres database, and we have completed our tutorial. Thank you for staying with me until this point, and see you in the next tutorials. Bye bye.